It's not a gym.
It's definitely not a gym.
We are a fitness studio right here in the heart of Kerikeri.
So convenient.
By starting Aligned Movement, I wanted to create a safe and fun environment where people could achieve their fitness goals and not feel self-conscious. We run a range of fitness programs, or as we like to call them, modalities.
They've got yoga, Pilates, TRX,
Burlesque, circuit training, bar.
Plus, we do private lessons and small group training sessions. It's a great vibe, and everyone gets to know each other really quickly. Our clients in our community here are supportive, and it's a judgment-free zone.
When I hit 50, I knew I had to be a lot kinder to my body. I could get away without stretching and exercise when I was young, but now I need to be a little bit more disciplined.
The nice thing about being part of Aligned Movement is that you can work on your fitness at your own pace. It's not a big sweaty gym.
Alyssa and her instructors are so encouraging and supportive. They are great at what they do and they make it fun.
The loyalty program's a great way to stay motivated, and the instructors are really thrilled when you achieve your goals.
We are a locally owned Kerikeri business here for everybody.
It's our local fitness studio.
It's like family.
Feel free to come in and see what we're all about. Let's move people with Aligned Movement.